Hi, Vivian.
Hi.
What are you wearing?
I sisters.
Let me see it. Very nice. Can you stand back so I can see your shorts? Turn around. Very, very nice. You did a very good job getting yourself dressed.
I can do my dress. I had to see my door.
I don't want to see your door. Don't close it.
I close it.
What's on your shirt? What is it?
V. Essay.
What's very good?
That's the essay. Da.
No, D says duh. E says eh.
And it says T says
Very good.
and P says
Where's there a P? There's no P on your shirt.
That's a P.
Oh, I think that's an I.
I says
What?
It's the Eli. It's the
What happened to your room?
Oh, it's my mess.
Yeah, what happened?
I did my toys. Very messy too.
Yes, I see.
And you do feed my room. It's not my room.
That's not your room. Whose room is that?
That's Phoebe's. This is my room.
That's right.
And my mirror. I can look at the mirror.
Okay, can you say goodbye?